Hi besties, happy new year to you all. It's been a long time I posted a tutorial video on my YouTube channel. Who missed me? Because I missed you all. Today I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this amazing look on my bride's face for her traditional marriage. If you're seeing my YouTube channel for the first time today, please do well to hit the subscription button, give this video a thumbs up, comment and share. Thank you so much. Let's get right into the face bits. The first thing I did was to clean my client's face with a baby wipes and a micellar water, though I didn't show that in this video, and it was from Simple. The micellar water was from Simple. Then I groomed her brow, went on to hydrate her face with a hydrating spray. She has an oily skin, so I used the aloe vera hydrating spray from Kissbeauty. Next I went on to hydrate further by using the hyaluronic acid serum from Peimei. You want to blend that properly into her skin and dry out with a mini fan. Before I went right into my Cosrx all-in-one moisturizing cream to moisturize her skin. This way her skin is going to be plump and very hydrated to take other products that are coming into the skin. Do well to massage very well and then dry out with a mini fan. I also went right ahead to massage properly with my hands. If your hands are not clean and sanitized, please use your blending brush to do that. Next, I went in with my Mehron skin prep to properly prime her face because my client has an oily skin and she sweats a lot, so I didn't want my makeup running at all. I applied that on the T-zones of her face. The trick to getting this to work very well is to massage it properly into the skin, and for that I usually use my hand and make sure to dry out properly with a mini fan. Next, I went on to do mattifying primer for her, and for mattifying primer I'm using the Gentle Dove mattifying primer. When priming the T-zones that you have primed with Mehron, please use your palm and then massage properly and dry out with a mini fan. After that, go ahead and set all the prep and then dry out with a mini fan before going in with your foundation. And for foundation, I'm using the elf foundation, and the other one I can't remember the name, but I'm going to put it in the description box. I mixed those two foundations to get her exact skin tone and undertone. I'm going in with my white glam beauty sponge. I'll be blending that properly into her skin. Take your time to blend properly. You don't want to see any harsh lines at the end of the day. Next, I went in with my Blackopal stick foundation to contour her face, to bring some shadows to her face. And for contour, you want to do this on her chin area, the forehead, and then the bridge of her nose. Go right ahead and also blend it out with your beauty sponge. Next, going in with my Imagic lip palette, I'm going to add some blush to warm up and add some colors to her face. Then I went in with my Yanga beauty concealer in the shade SMC3. I'm going to apply that on her face and leave it first to do her blush so that it's going to like sit down on the skin. I don't know if you get that. This way you're going to have a full coverage after blending the concealer. Keep watching, you'll see what I did in the video. If you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please do well to hit the subscription button. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment and share. Thank you so much. Take your time to blend the concealer very well, then go right ahead to set the concealed or highlighted area. And for me, I'll be using my Nuban setting powder in the shade Caramel. You want to first of all blend those lines out again, that's the concealed area, using your beauty sponge. This is going to take out any harsh line or creasing that may have occurred under the eye region. You can either use your beauty sponge, you can use a puff, or you can use a brush to set. I prefer using a brush to set. This way I get into every fine lines under the eyes. Watch the video, you're going to see everything I'm doing in the video. Thank you so much. To set the rest of her face, I'll be going in with my Becharm Ageless Powder Palette. This is a pressed powder. You want to pick the shade that matches your client or your bride face and use it to set the whole of her face. I'll also be using this same powder palette to also contour her face and her nose region. Keep watching the video. Thank you so much and God bless you. Next, I went ahead to set her highlighted area using a pressed powder from my Becharm Ageless Powder Palette. Next, I went ahead to set the whole of her face using my setting powder from Kissbeauty. If you notice, I'm actually using my palm to cover her install area. This way, her installation is not going to pull out. And also, when applying powder or anything to her face, you want to avoid all the install areas. If not, you might pull off her installation without you knowing. After that, I went on to bake her face using the same powder I use in setting her face, and you want to bake under the eye region and then reverse her contour. Keep watching the video, you see everything I did in the video. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and also share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you and God bless you. Next, we'll get right into her eyeshadow work. Starting off first, we're going to be priming her eyes to help hold her eyeshadow, and we're using the Glamgirl eyeshadow primer. You want to blend this onto her eyelid properly before going in with your eyeshadow. For eyeshadow, I'm going to be starting off first with the Veebeauty nude eyeshadow palette to smudge and do the transition color for the eyeshadow work. Keep watching, you're going to see everything I did in the video. After the transition work, I went right in to apply some glitters and pigment on her eyes. But starting off for the base, I'm going to be using a gloss. I use the gloss as the base before applying the pigment, and I use two pigments from MK Beauty Cosmetics. So for my bride, I used two different shades of glitters because I wanted her eyes to pop very well. Plus, she is wearing a brown outfit, so I didn't want to do one color. So you can see how it's popping out. Go ahead and apply this onto her eyelid and take your time to do it. When applying the second pigment, I did not start putting any pigment glue or using my glue to hold it like my gloss, sorry. Just apply it directly on the glitters that were there already. Is just going to stick. After that, I went on to blend out any harsh lines that are between the transition and the glitters, and then I went right on to take out every fallout of the glitters from under the eye region. Next, I went right ahead to line her brows, and for this I'm using my Davis pencil in the shade 03. You want to outline the brows first and then fill in the inner corner while you stroke out the outer corner. Keep watching the video, you see everything I did in the video. This is a gentle reminder that you should please give this video a thumbs up, comment and share so we can push it to more audience. Thank you so much. Do not also forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel because I drop juicy content like this to help you achieve great makeup in 2026. Thank you. Next, I went ahead to correct the brow by using the same concealer I used under her eyes, which is the Yanga Beauty in the shade SMC3. You want to correct this so that there are no mistakes, and also this is going to highlight the brow bone and make it to pop up properly. After doing that, make sure to blend out so that there are no demarcation between the highlighted area and the transition color from the eyeshadow. Next, I went ahead to line her waterline, and for this I'm using a black pencil from Reng Cosmetics. I also went ahead to prep her natural lashes with my Kissbeauty mascara to prepare it for the false lashes, though I didn't film the false lashes. But you want to prep the natural lashes, this way it's going to align with the false lashes without giving up any foundation or powdery effect on the hair. After that, I went on to smudge her waterline using the same eyeshadow palette I use in transcending her eyes, and this is the Veebeauty nude palette. After that, I went on to also do some blush, like these are finishing touches I'm doing to her face, and for blush it is also from Veebeauty Cosmetics, which is the Girls Night Out. After that, I went on to set her face with the Joba setting spray from Joba Cosmetics. This is going to give us a skin-like finish. Next, I went right into the lip work using my Carenza Beauty lip palette. You're going to see the colors I picked. Outline the lips first, and then I went on to do a neutral to warm nude color in between. You see what I did in the video. Just keep watching till the end. So after that, I'll go ahead and seal my makeup using my Seal It spray from Soopro Cosmetics before applying the lip gloss. This way it helps my lip gloss not to break. I noticed previously when I do lip gloss before sealing the makeup, it breaks. So I had to change my tactics and it's been working for me. So you might want to try this out if you undergo the same thing I went through. Thank you so much. And here is the final look, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching. Do subscribe, like, share, and I will see you on the next one. Bye bye.